Today I will cook drunken noodle. Drunken noodle. Yes, it sounds strange, but it's very famous for Thai people.
Come on and cool with me at Asian Scenic.
สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Gary, Cooking Ambassador from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today I will cook drunken noodle. Drunken noodle. Yes, it sounds strange, but it's very famous for Thai people, and I think you guys someone know the spell. Drunken noodle is good for people who hangs over, but actually the meaning's like if you have something in refrigerator, you just bring and cook together, like the menu for cleaning your refrigerator or something like that. Okay, for the ingredients, you have to have the noodle, but we use white rice noodle. Like this, white rice noodle. But if you use the dry noodle, you have to soak it in the water about 10 minutes, cold water, to make it softer. But don't boil, just soak in the water. And hot basil, hot basil. And anything in your refrigerator, but actually you have to have peppercorn, Thai ginseng or finger root, okay, finger root. Baby corn, carrot, long bean, kale, anything in your refrigerator and cook together. But important things, peppercorn and finger root, chili, garlic. Okay, we start to cook. We start with the garlic. One garlic and crush like this. Okay. Easy menu after you hang over last night. So in the morning you can do like this. Something strong flavor make you feel better. Okay. Then chop the garlic and then leave it on your plate. Then chili to wake you up. Okay, I take two, red and green. Okay, red and green chilies. You know which color hotter. If you want to know, just click here. You will know which color hotter. Okay. Then chilies. If you like, you can take more. But if you cannot eat too spicy, maybe you just skip because finger root is spicy enough. Okay. This is a flavor group. Okay, set together. And then baby corn. Don't forget for the vegetable, for cleaning your refrigerator. Anything you have in your refrigerator, you just bring to cook. Set a group, flavor group and vegetable group. Kale. I'm not hangover, but I'm sure you guys often hangover, so we can do together. This menu can help. Okay. We have no any pattern for chopping. Just like this, by side. Okay, for by side. And this one, slice thin. Slice thin. You see, I separate. Garlic is flavor group, vegetable and finger root. Because finger root is fast to cook, we separate later. And peppercorn, like this. Oh, I forgot carrot. I have a lot in my refrigerator, slice thin, like this. Thai cooking, we chop in by side. Okay, and the last one, sweet basil. We don't chop, we just take all the leaf off and put together with a finger root. It's fast to cook. When you cook, you have to know which vegetable fast to cook and which vegetable take time to cook. You have to separate the cook and cook the one that take time to cook first. Hot basil, if it touch the heat, it make more pungent. Okay, you see. Just like this. This is the ingredients for our drunken noodle. This one. So the seasoning for our drunken noodle, of course, oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Corn oil, palm oil, soybean oil, canola oil. The Thai people, we use sunflower oil and soybean oil, palm oil. Okay. Fish sauce. We don't put salt. We don't put soy sauce. Fish sauce is the best flavor for salty in Thai cooking. Okay. Any brand you can use. And oyster sauce is good for flavor. Okay. And sugar. Why I put sugar? Because I don't put MSG. You guys know MSG? Monosodium glutamate. So we skip because someone allergic and it's not good for your health. But little bit sugar is make more flavor. Okay. And if your stir fry too dry, we use water. Okay. And we use chicken. Okay, chicken, but actually you can use pork, beef, or seafood, whatever. But I love chicken. Okay, so turn on the gas. We do low heat first. Okay, we do low heat first, and oil about 1 spatula, like this. Okay. So now you stay in your country, you can follow me by this channel. But don't forget, if you travel to Thailand, come to Chiang Mai and cook with me, Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School. Okay, heat the oil for the white and take the oil, heat the oil first. Little bit garlic. You see, you can see closer, you can look closer. Until the garlic look bubbling, like this. Okay, and then add all the garlic and the chili for the flavor group to bring out the flavor. You see, on low heat until you smell, and then add the chicken. The chicken mix together. Stir it until the chicken turns to white color. Stir fry just means you have to always stir. Yeah. Smell good. And then all the vegetables that take time to cook, this group. Okay, not this group. And little bit sugar. Just the level spoon. Little bit sugar and fish sauce. About 2 teaspoons, 1, 2, and then oyster sauce. We use oyster sauce for stir fry to make more aroma. Okay, this, and then we do high heat. Okay, and mix all together. See? And then add the noodle. Okay, it's jumping. And the last one, all the ingredients. The smell from the basil and Thai ginseng and peppercorn. And that's it. Turn off the gas and put it on your plate. This. Okay. How long? Just not over 10 minutes. This is a Thai fast food, okay? I put like this, better. This is for wake up when you hang over. Okay, drunken noodle. Easy for you to do. Okay, if you have any question, you can leave some comment here. And if you like this clip, please subscribe and ring the bell. And see you next clip. Bye bye.
You're gonna cook like a real Thai.
Oh, I don't know. She can do it.